Now you see, in previous class we have started the unit your conducting materials, right? In this one, as I told you, the conducting materials are those materials which are able to transmit the power or transmit the current from one point to another point, and it will allow the current to pass through it with minimum loss. That is called as your conducting material, minimum power loss. So we have seen some examples of your conducting material in previous class, in which I have told you that silver is the material which is having the highest conductivity property, but as it is cost so much, its price is very high and it is not available in earth's crust very abundantly. That's why what we are doing, we are using the material which is having nearest value of conductivity but little bit less price than that of silver. That is your copper. We are using copper. Still again, when we are using copper, in that one what we are finding is that copper is, no doubt copper is having good conductivity, but the availability of copper is also very less. So what we are opting for a option where we will get a material which is very means its availability will be good, and it will be a good conductor also. So in that process we found out that in India actually aluminum is very heavy amount of aluminum we can get from the earth's crust or the mines in India. That's why we are using aluminum over here. Okay. See, the next time point we saw that what is resistivity and what is conductivity. Okay. So when I am saying that a material is letting the current pass through it, means what happened, as I told you, whenever a metal is having free electron in its outer in free electrons, then it is letting the current to pass through it. Okay. So if a conductor, if we see, then a conductor is having more number of free electrons. Okay, more number of free electrons will be there, and these more number of free electrons. So exactly what happens in case of your metal, let us consider if this is the material we are having. In this metal, if the free electrons are present here, then what will happen, these free electrons are going to move, so that the current is going to be passed through the conducting material. Okay. So when they in this electron cloud, there is not only these electrons are present, but also here positive ions are also present, isn't it? So what happens when current is passing through the material? Let us consider, I am considering this electron is moving. So what happens in this cross section, along with the positive ion, there are some negative ions are also there. Okay. So what will happen, or atoms will be we can consider, or other particles we can consider. Okay. So what happens, generally we consider here the positive particles. Okay. So some particles are here. So when this electron start to move this way, so what happen? It will go and strike this one, then it will go strike this one, again it will go strike this one. Like this, it will strike to the other atoms, and then it is going to move to the forward direction. Okay. So it is going to strike this one, again it is going to strike this one. So in this way, from this point to this point, that electron is